Introducing Pazuri Residence Malindi.
Pazuri Residence gives you the opportunity to own a beach home starting from as low as 15.5 million. You can also invest a prime land just from 4.5 million, all with ready title deeds. The development is conveniently located just 15 minutes from Malindi Airport and 8 minutes from the CBD. It features excellent road access, reliable electricity, water supply, and high-speed fiber internet, making it perfect for residential living or Airbnb investment. Whether you are looking for a holiday retreat, a retirement home, or an income-generating property, Pazuri Residence offers the perfect opportunity to invest in Malindi.
For more information, visit our website at www.wemark.co.ke.